going to attempt to take off this exterior grill we don't use. Let you know how this goes with the new generator stand. We're going to try this out. This is how you will receive your generator rack in the mail. Instructions will be inside. There's 3 options to install in this rack. We're on the bumper and a little bit more extended on the back, as you'll see later in the video. Here you'll see me remove our bumper grill, which we never used. It's a standard 4-inch bumper. Just a couple of brackets and bolts. Take the bumper off, or the bumper grill that is, and get prepared to install the generator rack. Recording, see? I got my 2 brackets. These just slide right onto the 4-inch bumper style. And these support beams go on by this one bolt. With a single notch, something just like this. Just assembling this final piece here, the tray that goes on the 2 beams that's on the bumper. Just to install these 4 pieces plus the center piece here, you can see right in the middle. It's going to help hold that together. Let you know how it goes. Well, there we go. Finished product. It's by Jenny Company. Generator and cargo carriers. Supposed to carry over 200 pounds. I'm planning on putting my little generator. It's like 90 pounds back here. It's like a 3500 watt. You can see the brackets. I don't know. Hope I get a picture of this here shortly with the generator on it. Install time, I can't tell you. I tried to read instructions, but I'm not very good. So read the instructions. Get your proper alignment for all your nuts and bolts. As you can see on here, there's quite a few spaces, and these beams have to line up, and your distance should be fine. But we're going to see. I want to carry a generator in case I need it. Or on the road. Thank you. As you can see here, I have the bracket set right on top of the bumper. But there's other options to have this sit past the bumper for more space. And there's also an extra set of brackets inside the box. But you can extend this even farther out than that, depending on the type of generator you may want to carry on your RV or bumper for whatever accessory you may need.